So students, there was a technical problem, so that I have to stop it. I'm sorry for that. Now please make me sure that I am visual and audible to everybody. Okay, thank you. So till here I told you that Amandine told that there was a famous man, a famous painter, a famous customer is about to come with his some of his friend for taking meal. So who was the person? That was a suspense. She did not tell about this person to Yonik. So Yonik did not know about it. What had happened then? So he was in paragraph 3. He's talking about whoever he was. He looked like an ordinary man without much hair. But I felt very pleased when the famous man ate one of my kumi. That was the dessert I told you. And after the man and his guest left, we began the table. Okay, when they were left the inn after taking the meal, so they started cleaning the table. Okay, that was the daily routine of the boy and the rest of the member who is just belonging to the inn. In that way, writer is saying, Miss narrator is the Yonik only, no? So he told that in that way, after the man, means when they left, we started cleaning the table, and I pulled the paper tablecloth off, scratched it, and threw into the fire. As the this is the daily routine, as usual we do. So suddenly Amandine went rushing past me. She came in rushing, and then what she told, for some reason she grabbed me the tongue and tried to pull out the ramton of the burning paper of the tongue and tried to pull it. Okay, so tongue, T-O-N-G, tongue. I will write here, T-O-N-G, tongue. What is this? So this is a tool in which, with the help of this tool, we can pick something what we had put in hot thing, and from we can just out from into outside into the hot things. Okay, so from that I found that why Amandine was doing like that. There was a suspense behind it. What did I do? So that is why she's behaving like this to me. So when she was just picking the paper out, but it was too late because all the papers were completely destroyed. Then she turned to me, and what she told, you fool, she shouted, you little fool. She started shouted at me. And what she told that, you are fool, I am fool. I was not getting anything, and I asked, what? I said yes in surprise that what happened? You are behaving like this. She told, the man who just a drawing on a tablecloth asked her trip for Papa, as he likes his meal, he went and threw it into the fire. He told that the man came, and he actually was a famous painter, so that is why as a trip he draws something for the as a trip he draws something for your uncle and for my Papa, because he liked our meal. So he was the most famous painter in the world, idiot. So she told like this to her cousin Yonik, and then after she was tears in flow and started weeping. Everyone in the restaurant stopped eating and went silent. So there was a pin drop silent when everybody saw the incident. Clear? Now in the next paragraph, then Uncle Bruno came strutting towards us. Unlike his jolly self, what is he asked to Amandine? As I told you on the last class about Uncle Bruno, that this man is a man who grabs the things easily, a man who really knows what is the skill should be living a good life. So when he asked the thing what happened to his daughter, Amanda started talking all the things, all the matter what had happened. That Yonic, as it is a regular routine of Yonic, so he just started cleaning the table and put the tablecloth into the fire, and it was completely destroyed. It was destroyed. I scolded him because I thought that that was a tip. That was a tip because he liked our meal. So that was a tip given by the man, and that the tip was for you. So that is why I scolded him. But what had happened due to the scolding of that, Yonik's heart is somewhere very soft to his cousin. Then what the reaction of the man? Let's see. Okay. Did you tell him about it, Amandine? Uncle Bruno asked. So first, Uncle Bruno asked, did you tell all the things about this famous man to Yonik? Did Yonick know that he sketches something on the table and he leaves it behind for us? Even I look at me, his cheeks went with tears, and I thought she was going to lie, but she didn't. When Uncle Bruno was started asking question to her, so I thought that she will lie because due to fear she may be lie to her father, but she didn't tell lie. She was telling truth and told that she looked at me, and what she told, no, Papa. She said a lowering head. She means completely telling the truth, and she told that no, I did not tell the truth to Yonik. Then you shouldn't blame him. He told that when you did not tell the truth to Yonik, you should not blame him because he was not knowing this. She mumbled, but it did not realize her eyes. Uncle Bruno put his arms around me. Never mind, Yonik, he said. He said he particularly like this creamy brownie. See that this man is how a lesson this man is going to give to both the children. He's saying that that was not a tip for me. Actually, he made a scene on that tablecloth because he liked a creamy brownie, that dessert that was made by this boy. So he liked that dessert much more. That is why he made that painting, and that painting was for you as a tip. So he was, see that how he was pumping out the boy Yonik, okay, for from that incident for the scolding of her of his cousin. And then after he said he particularly like his creamy brownie. You made it, didn't you? So he drawing it for you as beside this paragraph I explained. Now 14th is later on, shall I came out of the bathroom. I hear Amanda crying in her room. I hated her to crying her a lot. So I knocked on the door and went in. So I went there. I found that she was crying. I am sorry, I said. I didn't mean to upset you. She had stopped crying, but now I told that sorry for that, but I don't want to means I didn't mean to upset you or making you sad. 16. It wasn't your fault, Yonik, she said, still sniffing a bit. It's just that I hate it with when Papa's cross with me. She hardly ever it. Only when I've done something really bad. I shouldn't have blamed you. I am sorry. So here both the children they just felt their mistakes, and then they both are sorry for each other. So this is a good thing, a life skill we can see that was given by his uncle and her papa. So we can have a good lesson here in this chapter. So then they both smiled, okay. And what happened, I lay awake all night, my mind racing. Somehow I was going to make it all right again and make Amanda happy. He was thinking, what should I do so that my sister became happy? So soon I had worked out exactly what and how to do, even what was going to be to say when the time came. Okay, what I wanted to think to make my sister happy. See what happened. Next morning, I didn't go for a walk in the hill, but made my down onto the through to the village towards the Chatu. I waited till there was no one about. I was waiting there on that place about Chatu that I told you earlier. So I climbed the gate easily enough, and then ran down through the tree. I went there. There was a tree. They are surrounded by vast and threatening forest. Also, that means the scenery was very good. I went there, and nobody was there. Then after what happened? Uh, I found that there was an old man with very little hair who had come into the inn. Okay, so Yonik found there was a man who was looked like the man who visited last day into the inn. The old man with very little hair who has come to the inn, he was sitting alone the steps in the sunshine and sketching. He was sketching something there. Okay, when he went there, I approached as silently as I could without making any disturbance. I just started reaching there. Then but somehow I must have disturbed him because, but my presence he have somewhere known by the person. He looked up, shading his eyes against the sun. Hello, young man. Then he found him and told, Hello, young man. He addressed him. He said, but now I was this close to him. I could see he was indeed very old. The man was very indeed, means the eye contact had happened between both of them. Then I found that he was very old, but his eyes were very young. Means there was a gleam, a brightness in the eyes of the old man that can be observed by the character Yonic. Okay, now are you Monster Cezanne, a famous painter? What he told? Monster means that is a French word which titled Mr. Clear. So he told that are you Mr. Cezanne, the famous painter? I asked. He seemed a little puzzled. For a while, he looked like a puzzled man. So I went on. My mother says that you are the greatest painter in the world. He did not say anything, but what I told, I just started telling that my mother told that you are a great person, a uh, greatest painter. He smiled and then laughed. I think your mother is probably right. He said, you clearly have a wise mother. But why did she let the young lad like you come and wandering here and there? She told that might be your mother is a wise lady, but why she let you as you are wandering here and there? What had happened? That what matters make you worry? You are going here and there without any purpose. I explained why I'd come there and I what I wanted. He looked at me with furrows brow and said, I remember you now from the last night. Of course, I draw another picture for Bruno. Bruno is the uncle. So what had happened? That all the incident was told by Yorick to the man. So he told what? I remember you now from the last night. Of course, I will draw another picture for Bruno, for uncle, for his uncle. What would he like? Then he asked, what types of picture he like? You tell to me. No, better still, what would you means what you want to make, what you want to sketch for him, you can do. He replied. I like sailing boats. I said, can you? Okay, then the boy started thinking something, and then after he told that if I just if I my wish there, I just want to have a sailing boat in the picture. Okay, I will try. He replied with a smile. It didn't take him long. He drew fast, never once looking up. But as he walked, he asked me about where I'd seen sailing boats, about where I have lived in Paris. He said to me he loved Paris and sailing boats too. Okay, while sketching painting, he asked me that where did you see these things, the sailing boats? So he told that I saw these things in the Paris and I like it too much. Okay, there he said, tearing in the sweat from the sketching book and showing to me, what do you think for four sailing boats were racing over the sea and beyond the lighthouse? Just I had seen him, Brittany. Children, Brittany is a word that it is given. Brittany means that is a coastal town, okay, coastal town in northern France. Clear? But I saw that he had signed Picasso. As soon as he finished the painting, he signed there named Picasso. Okay, he named it Picasso, not Suzanne. Clear? What is Picasso? See that Picasso is a Spanish sculptor and painter who was considered one of the greatest artists of 20th century. So he signed like that. I thought the man was Suzanne. I said. So when I saw the sign, then I asked. I thought your name was Suzanne. He smiled up at me. How I wish it was, he said sadly. He told that maybe I wish that I could be the man like Susan. Then he added, of you and you can go now. So as soon as he finished it, he told that all the best and then after you can go from here. Now your wish is completely, your painting is ready. So here the chapter is ended. I hope that it is clear to you. So now the time is for clearing the doubt. If you have any doubt, there are hands raising. Now one by one, I will ask a question to you or your doubts. So first of all, there's Meena Mishra. I will ask to Meena Mishra.
Yes, ma'am.
Meena. Yes, Meena.
Ma'am, I don't doubt.
You don't have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so Meena, that all the lines and paragraphs are clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of
Ma'am,
all, for word meaning, I just want to tell to everybody, a student, for word meaning, you have to check out some shorts word meaning. The word meaning that is based on one word meaning, no?
yes, ma'am.
Simple. See that province. You know that province is a region, no? Caesar also don't write. You can learn from book. Then bustle. You can take bustle that you have to write in your copy.
Yes, ma'am.
And then after chatu, chatted, tongs. Okay. Now
Ma'am,
page number 2.
yes, ma'am.
Cross. Everybody please turn page number 2 and tick the word cross. Please make it sure that all of you turning and then doing this. Raise your hand and then make me sure. Okay, very good. Okay. Then the next word from the on the next page, that is page number 3. First word, Monsignor.
Ma'am,
Monsignor. Monsignor, the first word, Monsieur. Clear? Then the third word, Brittany.
yes, ma'am.
And that Picasso don't write in copy. You know this. So
Yes,
the
ma'am.
short word you have to write in your copy to everybody. And I will give you PDF of question answer. Then first of all you have to write all word meaning. Then after question answer, and one more PDF was already given to you. Then choose the correct answer. So after writing a word meaning, question answer, and then after choose the correct option you have to write in your copy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
everybody,
ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, Meena, my mom name.
Okay, your name is not Meena Mishra, but your ID is given as Meena Mishra. What's your name?
Ma'am, this is, ma'am, my name is Avna Kumar Pandey.
Oh, you are boy Abhinav Kumar Pandey. Sorry, Abhinav, as it is mentioned Meena here, I just read it and then asked you.
Ma'am, this is my mom ID.
Okay, so why the teachers every day is giving instruction that your ID should be their class and name is needed here for your attendance
Okay, ma'am.
to do it. So I hope that there is no doubt at all. For copy work, everybody is clear for copy work. Okay. So now can you tell me something about Yonic? Who can tell me something about Yonic? Who is Yonic and what incident had happened with him? Anshika of 6B. I will ask Anshika, Kumari Anshika of 6B. Anshika,
Yes, ma'am.
who is Yonic?
Ma'am?
I just want to ask a question to you. Who is Yonic, the first character I explained?
Ma'am.
Hmm? You did not attend the last day after study the class.
No, ma'am.
Hmm. That is why. Okay, you can mute yourself. I will ask to any other. Garima Rao, 6D.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Garima. Yes, beta.
Ma'am,
Who? Ah,
Yannick was a young boy and
okay.
he admires the beauty of the countryside, the province. And one day, a famous man come to the village inn,
Hmm.
and Yannick also in the uncle's house in the village inn. And
Okay.
one best customer of the village inn is coming to visit. Uh,
Okay,
He was
that
just
is enough for Yonik. I hope that everybody is now familiar that he's a young boy who got a chance to come to visit his his uncle's home. Okay, so and also I told you that Yonik is the central character of this chapter. Clear? Yonik is the narrator of this chapter.
yes, ma'am.
Clear? And Yorick is a young boy. He is the speaker of this chapter, narrator of this chapter. A person who narrates the story is called narrator. Clear?
Yes,
So when
ma'am.
we read this story, we found that all the lines or the all the paragraphs is telling by this man Yonick, this boy Yonick. So that is why he is a narrator of this story. So yes, we
Ma'am,
are. Huh,
ma'am, I have one doubt also that
okay.
I can't understand the last line of the second page. That is, soon I had worked out exactly what and how to do it, even what I was going to say when the
Okay.
time came.
Which page? Page number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Which paragraph?
Ma'am, last paragraph and the last
26.
line.
26.
Ma'am, page number second, 18 paragraph.
Okay, 18 paragraph. Which line?
Ma'am, second line.
So here nothing happened. It says that I lay awake all night when I found that my cousin Amandine become very upset. Why? Because her father is called not scolded, but he just tried to give the moral lesson to both of the children. No, the girl started crying. Due to that, when Yonik saw that due to that incident, somewhere he is not means blamed for that. So he got upset. He thought that due to all these incidents, she become upset and she started crying and crying. Okay. So what happened due to that? Means seeing my cousin was crying, I could not sleep full night, and the thing was going into my mind that what could I do so that my cousin becomes happy. Clear? He just wanted to make his cousin happy. Clear? Somehow I was going to make it all right means he just wanted all right means he just wanted to do all the things normal as it was earlier before that incident. Clear?
Ma'am,
So
and soon I had worked out exactly this one.
soon I had worked out exactly what and how to do it, even what I was going to say when it was means what I was planning, what thing that I wanted to do for my M&A that the next day that had happened. Okay, what thing that I just wanted to make all the things right, it had happened just now the next day. Clear? So when it came, the time means the time, the right time came means when the things is going to be correct. Clear?
Yes, ma'am, one more doubt. Ma'am, that the famous painter, ma'am, visit the inn is not the Sinaz, it is Picasso.
That is the suspense is given here. Okay, because you see that the last line, it is not mentioned who was the man. According to the last paragraph, the man, what he signed, it is Picasso. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But according to them, the member of the inn, that the man should be Caesar. So this is the suspense is given in this chapter that creates an environment of being suspense to everybody. It's not being clear who is that person. Clear? But the feature and the characteristic of the persons are given. How he has helped without to it means hiding his real identity. That is why he just signed as Picasso. So now time is up, and your next subject teacher is waiting for his next period. So we will finish here. Thank you so much and have a nice day. If you have any doubt, we will clear it on Saturday on WhatsApp. Yeah. Thank you.